page 225, number 3. Lynn is reading a 47-page book. She reads the first 20 pages in 35 minutes. A says, if she continues to read at the same rate, will she be able to complete this book in under 1 hour? Let's start there. Let's make a table. We have pages, and we have minutes. We're told that Lynn can read 20 pages in 35 minutes. I'm trying to figure out if she reads if she reads at the same rate, can she finish the book in an hour, in under an hour? It's a 47-page book. I'm going to double both of these. 35 times 2 is 70. 20 times 2 is 40. I know that there are 60 minutes in an hour, so 70 is greater than 60, which means Lynn has read for more than an hour, and she has only read 40 pages, which is not the whole book. So our solution to the first one is no. No. Lynn would only read, let's start over. No. If Lynn read for 70 minutes, she would only read 40 pages. And the book is 47 pages. So she could not finish the book in under an hour. All right, the second one says, if so, that was if you answered yes. How much time would she have left? She doesn't have any time left because she couldn't finish it in under an hour. If not, how much time is needed? Explain or show your reasoning. All right, this is going to be tricky. We are trying to figure out how much more time she'll need to finish the book. It's 47 pages, and she read 40 pages in 70 minutes. We're trying to figure out how long would it take her to read 47 pages. So we need to know how much longer it would take her to read 7 pages. I'm going to go from here and get half. Half of 35, half of 20, that'll be 10. Half of 35 is the same as getting half of 30. Half of 30 is 15. Half of 5 is 2.5. So half of 35 is 17.5. 17.5 minutes for 10 pages. It's going to help me to figure out 1 page. And I get from 10 to 1 by dividing by 10. We're getting 1/10. So I need to divide 17.5 by 10. Whenever we're dividing by 10, we can just move the decimal place over. So it was there, it moves over 1, so now we're at 1.75, which is 1 3/4. So 1 page takes 1 minute and 75 hundredths of a minute. All right, so we know that 1 page is 1.75 minutes. So we need to know 7 pages because we know 40 and we need 7 more to get to 47. So 1 times 7 is 47. We have to multiply this by 7, which at this point I would not fault you if you grabbed a calculator. We have not talked much about multiplying decimals. If you want to follow along for the standard algorithm, 1.75 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49. We add the 3, we get 52. 7 times 1 is 7. We add the 5 and we get 12. There are 2 decimal places in the problem, so there are 2 decimal places in the solution. 12.25. Now we are going to add 40 pages and 7 pages give us 47 pages. Because we added those, we have to add these. 40 pages, 70 minutes. 7 pages, 12 and 25 hundredths of a minute. So we're adding those together. 70 plus 12 is 82 and 1/4 minute. That's how long it would take to read 47 pages. However, the question does not say how long would it take to read 47 pages. The question says how much more time is needed. More meaning more than an hour. So 82.25 is how much more than 60. We have to take away 60. And we get 80 minus 60 is 20. 22.25 minutes. That's how much more time Lynn needs to finish the book. 0.25 minutes is 1/4 of a minute, which means it would be 22 minutes and 15 seconds. That's how much more time is needed. Holy smokes, if you stuck with me, really appreciate it.